class 9-10, solve x by 3 plus 3 by x equal to 4, 1 by 4, x not equal to 0. Let a equal to x by 3. Here we put a and plus 1 by a equal to 4 into 4, 16 plus 1, 17 by 4. Now adding this, we found 4a square plus 4 equal to 17th. 4a square 17th take here plus 4, other side is 0. 4a square minus 17th break into minus 16th minus a plus 4 equal to 0. Take common 4a, here is a minus 4, minus 1, a minus 4 equal to 0. A minus 4 into 4a minus 1 equal to 0. A minus 4 equal to 0. A equal to 4. Put x by 3 instead of a equal to 4, putting value of a equal to x by 3. Either x equal to 12 or 4a minus 1 equal to 0, 4 into a equal to x by 3 minus 1 equal to 0, 4x by 3, x equal to 3 by 4. So, answer will be x equal to 3 by 4, x equal to 12. Okay.